Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's been more than 2 years and since Windows 11 has been shown to the world. And in that 2 years that we've been getting Windows 11, one of the things that has not really changed enough, and Microsoft has failed to respond to most requests, because on the top requests in the feedback hub, the start menu is there. It's the top requested things are here, and people want to have some changes. I want to have some changes. I think there's a lot of wasted space here. Why is recommended, there and showing there when you just don't use it and you turn it off? There's all sorts of things like that. What customizable start that you can actually, take the edges, make it smaller if you want, and so on. These are all things that have not been inserted. And, you'll say, well, yeah, they added some, new start options. Yeah, not much. When we go to the settings and personalization, and you look at what is available in the start, all they added is, you want to have more pins, or a default, which is half and half, or more recommendations. No resize, no changes, no let's remove the empty space when we put off some of the settings here. It's really, really missing out a lot on making it cleaner, unfortunately. And of course, not to talk about the apps list. When you go to the settings app, I know some of you would like to, the start menu. Some of you would like to have just the app list, like in Windows 10, just an app list and so on. And you want it to stay like that. You'd like, if I'd go out and come back to the start, that the app list will be still the app list. It's your choice. You want the app list, or you want to have the app icons or tiles. And none of that, once again, has been addressed. And it doesn't look like, when we look at the future, when we look like this is 24H2 Canary, and that there's no more options, there's no new options, there's no changing options. Definitely it is as if, this is fine and we're not tweaking it, which is kind of weird, especially if you think about the fact that most people asked for a lot of changes there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.